So you wanna say you and I, but right about now I just wanna fly. Contemplating on what time, what place, how we get it higher. Wanna buy a couple vases, put them in higher places. Ain't nobody got time. Loving you is kinda like suicide. And here I cry every night, but you won't care. Cause I know that you be thinking about me when you fall asleep. Going in deep, and I can't get out to the abyss. Wanna take a hit or miss, and when I go, you just might strip and tease me. I just know you want me to please you. Pull up now and girl, let me tease you. $20,000 and I bet I can take you there, okay. You don't wanna be the type of girl that do anything for a quick buck or two. I wanna get with you, I wanna love you down, wanna squeeze you and turn you around. $20,000 in my pocket don't mean nothing if it's something I just wanna get in nowhere, somewhere. I don't even know how you feel about me and how I feel about you. Contemplating on if you the one for me, are you doing it for pleasure or pain? Going insane over here in the membrane, I can't be tamed. Life is a mess and I'm stressed out. Wanna be blessed at the same time, yeah. Wanna be blessed at the same time, cause you make me think about things, yeah. You make me go insane, yeah. Cause the time and the place and the timing, I'm racing, I'm pacing around this place like, hold up, do you want me, do I want you, nah. Really wanna go back and I say, yeah. You keep switching your answer every time when I ask you a question, like can we rewind just to a time and place, yeah. When you really care, when I care, but now you won't dare to even take a chance. You won't show me your emotions, over here I'm taking you like a potion. Don't wanna lose, go with emotions. You wanna know something, I don't really know nothing, and I'm afraid of that, I'm afraid of that.